Welcome to Awesome English. I'm Dan. This is lesson 3 in our series on how to write an opinion essay. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to plan an opinion essay using our awesome opinion essay planner. We're also going to write an introductory paragraph together. All right, let's get started. Okay, welcome to our awesome checklist for today's lesson. It's our roadmap for success. These are the objectives we want to achieve. So the first one is to be able to review the macro-micro features of an opinion essay. Then, to be able to plan an opinion essay using our awesome opinion essay planner. Next is to be able to use the hamburger strategy to write an effective paragraph for our introduction. Then, to be able to use an annotated paragraph in order to innovate and come up with our own ideas for our own introductory paragraph. Okay, let's get started. Okay, let's start with a little recap on lesson 1 and 2 in this series. We've been learning about the macro and micro features of an opinion essay. We have learned that the macro structure of an opinion essay is introduction, body, conclusion. We've also learned about all those awesome micro features and grammar elements. Things like adverbs of sequence, hooks, using transition words or phrases, a mix of sentences and literary devices. So spend a few minutes now, talk to the person next to you, see how many of these elements you can remember. Go. Okay, so for this series, we're going to be writing an opinion essay about this claim. So this claim is, we don't need to travel because we can learn as much from books and the internet. So before we start planning, spend a few minutes. If you're in class, talk to the person next to you. If not, brainstorm at home. Do you agree or disagree with this claim? Start sharing now. Okay, I hope that brainstorming session went well. I wonder if you agreed or disagreed with that claim. Now, here at Awesome English, we are going to disagree with that claim. So, if you're in class, you can continue talking to the person next to you. If not, brainstorm at home. Can you think of 3 really good reasons why we should also travel to learn, not just get information from books and the internet? So spend a few minutes now, brainstorm, or talk to the person next to you. Go. Okay, I hope that brainstorming session went well, and you now have 3 strong arguments that disagree with that claim about travel. Now, we need to flesh it out and get some more details and use our awesome opinion essay planner. Now, you can see that the opinion essay planner uses the strategy PEEL to structure a really good argumentative paragraph. Now, you can use point, evidence, explain, and link to try and structure your arguments and plan for this essay. Now, remember, if you haven't checked out our video on PEEL, check it out on the channel. Spend a few minutes now. Go and plan an opinion essay. You don't have to write big, long sentences, but you can jot down a few ideas to flesh out details for our arguments. All right, get planning. Okay, I hope that planning session went well, and you now have an idea of how you might structure your essay with your introduction, your body with your 3 arguments, and your conclusion. Now remember, today's objective is about the introduction. So we have an introductory paragraph about this claim to help you with your draft. Let's check it out. Okay, so here is our example introductory paragraph. Now, before you start drafting your own introductory paragraph, check this out. See if you can spot any of those micro features. Can you see elements of the hamburger strategy? Has it got an introductory sentence? Has it got a hook or a concluding sentence? Are there details within this paragraph? Spend a few minutes now, see if you can highlight or annotate and spot some of these key features. Go. All right, so now you can see this paragraph annotated. Now, you need to use this annotated paragraph to help you write your own awesome introductory paragraph for our opinion essay. So you can see in yellow, we have the introductory sentence and a hook where we introduce the reader to what the paragraph is about, using that hamburger strategy. Then we have all the details in the middle of the paragraph. We have a transitional phrase, I believe, in red. We also have used green to highlight the purpose of this essay. This essay is, we have really made it clear. And then you can see in purple, we have listed 3 strong ideas to argue and convince the reader about our opinion. And then finally, with the awesome hamburger strategy, we always conclude. So we have in yellow at the bottom, a concluding sentence that wraps it all up. So now, over to you. Go and draft your own introductory paragraph for our opinion essay. Spend a few minutes to check this out. Maybe you want to copy or innovate ideas. Either way, remember, use this to help you. Okay, let's get moving. Okay, I hope you've had success drafting your own introductory paragraph. So now it's time for some independent learning. Now that you know how to write an introductory paragraph for an opinion essay, we need to consolidate our learning. So go and write another introductory paragraph. Come up with your own claim or do the same claim and write it a little differently. So over to you. Remember, practice makes progress. I'll see you next time and remember to stay awesome.